Hello everyone, welcome back to Chef Sandra Cooks. Love is in the air. Please join me for a Valentine's Day dinner. We'll be making a Madeira mascarpone pasta with mushrooms and heart-shaped lava cakes. We'll start by boiling and salting our pasta water. Add your pasta and cook for about 10 minutes. For this dish, I'm using sirloin steak. They're meaty and not too fatty. In a large sauté pan over medium heat, place your steaks and sear on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on doneness. Now deglaze your pan by adding butter and mushrooms. This will bring up all the meaty bits and add lots of flavor to your dish. Cook for about 5 minutes and season to taste with some kosher salt. Here I'm using Madeira, a fortified wine that's a little sweet and nutty. Reduce the wine to about half and it becomes a bit syrupy. In the meantime, let's slice our steaks. It's been about 5 minutes and our Madeira wine has reduced by half. Add your beef broth and let that simmer for about 3 minutes. Turn your heat off, and now it's time to add your mascarpone cheese. Now make sure it's room temperature so it incorporates easily. And whisk away so it emulsifies. It's time to add your parsley and your thyme, and lastly your lemon juice. It's time to check on your pasta. Add it to your creamy sauce and coat your pasta. This sauce is velvety and oh so luxurious. Place your sliced steaks atop and top with more mushrooms and creamy sauce. It's time for our heart-shaped lava cakes. We'll start with the strawberries. Cut into a V shape over the stem, then slice for a cute heart shape. Over a bain-marie water bath, place your butter, chocolate, coffee, and salt. Stir to combine until it's smooth and silky. Turn your heat off and set aside. In the meantime, add your egg yolks, whole eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract. Using your handheld mixer on high speed, mix until doubled in size. This will take about 5 minutes. Add your melted chocolate mixture slowly and whisk until incorporated. Add your flour and continue to whisk until combined. Butter your ramekins and add a bit of flour and tap out the excess. Using a ladle, pour your chocolate mixture into the ramekins. Now place in a preheated 450-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for about 8 minutes. Let cool for about 5 minutes and using a paper towel, invert onto a plate. Coat with powdered sugar and place your strawberry hearts next to each other. Take a look at this lava pouring out of your chocolate heart. Decadent and silky and delicious. Hope you give this Valentine's Day dinner a try. And remember, make it your own. Thank you for watching.